package. Came from a long way away. And this is probably going to be start with the review. Because if this is what I think it is, I'm happy. Oh, well, I'll have to review it later. This is the flood lamp. Oh, it has little dog ears on it or whatever. Horse blinders. Okay. So this is an LED. It's made by Tolifo. It's two different colors. It's a soft light, high power, pocket size. LED. This is for, and it has intensity and color temperature. A little digital display. 1/4 inch thread, universal mounted camera tripod, so you can mount it. Same type of screw as the bottom of the camera. Aluminum alloy frame. See what it looks like. Yeah, there it is. Okay. I believe it does not come with batteries, so I actually ordered batteries for it specifically. Look at that. It's a type of battery, rechargeable. Plug it in there. Tolifo. The battery would go in there. And here's if you want to just specifically had the idea of I can power this directly, so you don't have to be keeping on the battery thing. See what else comes in the package. Probably, yeah. Okay, and that's the mount, like a camera mount. Or it can be screwed into camera mount type of thing. Well, there it is, despite the depiction on that side with the horse blinders, you don't got that. So they come with that. But it has it's right up. Once it's powered up, there's a digital display in the back. So there's a direct power, digital display, interchangeable battery, and of course the user's guide of the PT15B Pro. So this can help with videos and photography. A wonderful addition. I'll get to how well it performs at some point. So that's what came with it. That's how it's gonna be. I'm gonna leave this separate, so I'm gonna put it back in the box. I get crosswind of salt air. Look what salt air doing. Salt air stuff with electronic equipment. That's it. Hang loose. Okay. Well, we found out that this battery is the compatible battery for the PT15B. I charged up a battery. They just sit right in, and then when they're pressed down where it's snug like that, then it takes a little bit of force, but it's a secure lock in that direction. There's where it can be mounted on a tripod. There's where it can be plugged in directly although it does not come with its own cord, and it does not come with the flaps. But here's the back panel. There's an on button here. So here's an on off. There's a minus and a plus and an M. I'm not even looking at directions here. So I'm pushing this button for on. It has a display window showing 44, which is an intensity. So if I push the buttons up, increases the intensity, and down. Well, actually, what's that doing? Seems to be intensity, which also modifies. Well, okay. It's what color lights are being shown. Okay, so they go into the more softer color or the more fluorescent color. And if you go both, then you're in there. And then there's M. Which I don't know what that does just yet. Okay, I guess it flips it. Well, when putting it more intense, it goes, oh, there it is. It does do that. So put it in the positive. That's what I thought. All intense. Well, I don't know what's going on there. So I'm switching the mode here to this. So if you switch that M button, it goes from the different colors. It's this one or to that one. And if you put it where it's on D, then it's an intensity. It would be an intensity of all the different. It's all the different LEDs. From low to high. And this one, when you press the minus and plus, it just switches between the two colors. So that's the history of that, and maybe we can check out. There's off. So far, it's an interesting light. It has kind of this quality of different lighting, intensity, and color. Let's see how effective it is, maybe in the dark. All right. Here it is at night time, and here's the light, the TI whatever, or is it PT 15B, is shown basically in the box. So here it is with the battery, nighttime, and this is illuminated with a basically a single light bulb. I don't know, it's a 60 watt, I think. And so let's test this out to see how I was on camera. There it is. This is I'm not sure the best on the graphics, but it will have a adjustable up and down with the LED. And with this one, depending on what mode you have on it, on-off button. So here's I switch the mode with the M button. So I guess this is just purely just the light. And if I press the increase, it increases the light. And turning off the other incandescent bulb, here's what you got. If I was placing it above where this camera is right now, this is what I have on maximum, and if I give it a dim down, I can adjust that exposure of the light, that is. Now, with the, oh, turn it off. Now with the other one, it gives a different color because there's different LED lights in the back. My orientation here. Those will just turn up the more orange colored, probably trying to mimic a incandescent bulb lighting. And that's kind of more the LED, more the fluorescent mode. I guess you can just put it back in the middle. And then switch on the mode. And the positive and negative button are simply the illumination intensity. So this is where this is the lowest out on 10. It's not bad. And compare this, I'll just set it down like this and turn on the incandescent bulb, which is about 10 foot away. And there it is. Hang loose. I think it's a pretty good light. These types of batteries will give it a long go time with the light. And I don't know. Maybe it would be a lot more intense, but oh, there it goes. Hang loose.